Hey y'all, Chuck here. Hey, today I want to talk to you guys about moving to Thailand.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. That is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
So, yeah. 2 years ago on Thanksgiving Day, I said goodbye to my family. I said goodbye to my friends. I packed up a couple suitcases of what I had left of my belongings.
Yay! Can't wait for the food.
We can't wait for more food. We just stuffed ourselves. I moved to Thailand. So I made a few videos on why I moved to Thailand and why I left America. So I won't get into too much detail because I'm sure you guys may have already seen that. If not, I'll share that. But you know, real brief history of what happened and what brought me to Thailand. I met Paige in Houston, Texas in America. About 12 years ago. She was working in a sushi bar, and she served me I wanted a Jack and water, and I had asked her if she could make it a little strong, so she gave me like a full glass of Jack Daniels with an ice cube. So, anyway, I thought she was cute and funny. Started talking to her for a little while, and found out that she was a very outgoing person and liked to go to festivals and stuff. So I invited her to a little Renaissance festival in Houston, in Texas. And anyway, we just clicked. She's a super awesome girl and very easy to get along with. I think we've gotten to one argument since we've been married for the last 12 years. So really super easy person to get along with. But I never had been to Thailand. I never even dated an Asian woman in my life. One time, but I wouldn't call it a date. And you know, she would come back and forth to Thailand to visit her family, so she invited me to come and visit her family one time. So I said, sure, why not? So you know, she had already left to go visit her parents, and I was going to meet her there, mostly because of work. So, you know, in America, we can only take off for a week, even though we may have up to 4 weeks vacation time, we can only take off one. Nobody wants to do your job, and of course, you know, the business is probably just going to close down if your presence isn't there. So we're only allowed to take off for about a week. So I get to Thailand. It's a I was in transition for over 30 hours. Coming to Thailand, and exhausted, tired, excited. So I'm in the luggage terminal in Bangkok airport, and I'm looking around. I'm by myself. All the signs, the exit signs, everything's in Thai. I look at this telephone. And I'm like, I don't even know what that is. My cell phone no longer works, you know. So I'm standing there contemplating on which exit to go out, because I know once I leave, I can't come back in, and I really didn't know what to expect. And Paige didn't really explain to me the scenario when I get to the airport. She just said she'll be waiting for me with her parents. So Anyway, it all worked out. I found her, had a great time. I realized my very first trip to Thailand that, I mean, I had been in the military and I had traveled quite a few places in the world, but my experience in Thailand was, it's hard to explain. It was a sense of freedom that nobody expected anything of me. And I don't know, it was just a sense of calm. I couldn't speak the language, nobody could speak to me. It was peaceful. And everybody was happy. It was just, it's very hard to explain. It was just one of those things. So anyway, I spent the next few years only thinking about Thailand. So I got rid of all my possessions, saved up a lot of money. I moved here on Thanksgiving Day 2016. So I've been here 2 years. And I can't think of any other place that I would rather be in my life than Thailand. Things are different here. I feel like a child here. I feel like I'm learning something every day. Beautiful. Bye-bye. I travel around Thailand. I try to learn the culture. I went to school to learn to speak Thai. I can read Thai and I can write Thai. I can write Thai pretty good and I can read Thai pretty good. Reading and writing is helping me try to say the words properly anyway. But I really don't have any regrets. You know, I miss my kids. I miss my grandkids. I chat with them all the time on the computer. When I lived in America, I rarely could spend any time with them, period, you know. They have their own lives going on. But, you know, at this point, I could take off and go back to the U.S. and stay with them for 3 months, something I couldn't do, period, while working and living the American dream. So I'm still, I'm very happy with Paige. She's perfect for me. She likes to travel. She's very easy, very happy. I do not like negativity, period, at all. I don't like to be around negative people. And I don't, only time I ever find that is when I'm in areas where there's a lot of tourists. There are a lot of Falangs that live here that complain about stuff all the time. I don't understand why they're still here. I think it's just in their nature to do that, but I don't care for those people, and I try to avoid areas like Pattaya and Phuket and Bangkok and all that. I just don't want to be around those type of people. I know not everybody's like that. I have a bad feeling about that. So I live here in Isan, a small town. It's beautiful on the Mekong River. I can come out here and I can enjoy the scenery and just relax. The air is clean, the food is good, the people are friendly. I can't stay here more than 2 weeks because I get bored. That's just my nature. I like to travel and see new things, and Thailand has everything there is to offer for me, other than a good steak. Forget about the beef. If you want good steak, you have to go to those touristy areas to try to find somebody that knows how to properly make a steak. Steak looks like it's shrank. So this, it is a little chewy. For Thailand, it's not too bad. Are you impressed? Chewy, Thai style, Thai chewy. Look at that. That is a Thai style steak right there. But I have no regrets, period, of coming here. Well, my only regret was I wish I would have done it earlier in life. Somehow, if I had the money, I would have. But I want to say that if you're thinking about moving to Thailand permanently, you really have to be a flexible person. There are some areas in Thailand that you can live that probably have your needs. In Chiang Mai, there's a lot of Western culture in Chiang Mai area, a lot of Western food, a lot of stuff that you can get in those areas. Yeah, you just need to be a flexible person and try to adapt to your surroundings. Don't bring your habits to Thailand because it's not going to work out for you. You'll end up being a miserable person if you expect things to be like you're used to in your life. So you just have to laugh things off sometimes. You get here and you don't understand anything. And I still don't understand things, and I look at things and go, why do you do that? But after a while, some things kind of make sense. Like, oh, okay, I see why they can't have that or why they do that. But the culture here is a little different. The Buddhist religion is very sabai, which means kind of very relaxed and not too worried about stuff. So Thai people have a lot of habits that really kind of get to my nerves sometimes, but you gotta chalk it up to that's just the way their culture is, you know. And anyway, I just wanted to make this video after living in Thailand for 2 years. I know you guys have followed my journey on my daily vlog here, and I'm happy beyond belief in Thailand. So you got to find yourself a hobby. I discovered bicycling. Walk around. I don't want to disturb anybody. Beautiful, huh? Well, I'm up front. And traveling, and life is easy with very little things in my life. So only thing I have to worry about is me and Paige, and not running out of money. So okay guys, well that's it. Just wanted to let you know after 2 years, I did one when I first got here, 6 months. I did one, and I didn't do one for a year, but I just figured I would do one after living here for 2 years. I think 2 years you really get a good feel for what's going on in Thailand, and I love it here. It's not for everybody, but it's for me. Thank you very much for watching my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Bye.